Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10, 11 recovery. It looks like Windows didn't load correctly. Click See Advanced Repair Options. First method is click Start Up Repair. Second method is click Advanced Options. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. Find your Windows installed drive letter. In my case, Windows installed drive letter is C drive. Type SFC /scanno. Type CHKDSK /C:// /F /X /R. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.